We had a great idea, and I think that's why we got the amount of support that we did, but the reason we could moonlight this and do it in the after hours of our PhD theses was because we could totally work together as a unit. And we all understood that we were all doing this in our spare time.
I think David and I knew that once Angela was committed that we had the right dynamic in place. And it went from this idea that Dave and I were kind of talking about over, drinks and casually, to something that we knew we could really move forward with. The biggest question mark was, how are the students going to relate to the content, and how are they going to interact? So when the first debate ended and the first breakout started, I was kind of on pins and needles. And then I walked around and I saw what happened, and it was just amazing, the interaction and the level of discussion that was going on. And I listened into a couple of tables and I knew they were talking about the right things, and I knew that this was something special.
I think what we saw today was they're coming from their classrooms and experiencing a learning environment that was totally unique. And I think it gave them an appreciation for understanding why it's important to question, why it's important to make advancements in learning and understanding. And I think they loved it. And you could totally tell that they were interested. And they didn't want to leave. And I think as someone organizing an 8-hour symposium, that's the best sign that you've done your job.